Having personally faced the exact same issues with endless monster stun locks, and after countless hours testing various solutions, I finally uncovered multiple effective ways to resolve these frustrating game problems, and I am eager to share them with you right now. To fix monster stun lock loop and infinite roar immobilize bug, our first approach involves adjusting game settings. This often resolves conflicts between your system and the game's engine, preventing unexpected behaviors that trigger these annoying loops. Next, we look at system driver updates. Outdated or damaged drivers can stop your hardware from talking properly with the game, causing it to freeze or misinterpret commands, leading directly to immobilizing effects. Ensuring all your drivers are current smooths out this communication. Our third area focuses on network stability. For online games, a shaky internet connection means your game and the server get out of sync, making it seem like you're stuck in an endless stun. A strong, stable connection keeps everything flowing correctly. Finally, we tackle game client workarounds. The game's own files can sometimes get corrupted or accumulate temporary errors. Cleaning these up or reinstalling the game provides a fresh start, removing hidden conflicts that cause the monster to repeatedly trap you. These methods target the core reasons behind these frustrating glitches.